In this video, you'll learn how to create a new audience in Mailchimp. This process will enable you to effectively manage your contacts and streamline your marketing efforts. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard, which displays various options for managing your campaigns and audiences. Next, locate the Create button on the dashboard. This button is typically positioned prominently on the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu that provides different creation options. From this menu, select Audience to initiate the audience creation process. Once you have selected audience, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. A confirmation message will appear, ensuring that you are ready to proceed. Confirm your selection to continue to the audience setup screen. After this, look for an option labeled Create Audience. This button allows you to start defining your new audience. Click on Create Audience, and you will be directed to a form where you can enter details about the audience you want to create. Fill in the necessary fields, which typically include the audience name, default from email address, and default from name. Providing accurate information in these fields is crucial, as it will be used in your email campaigns. Ensure that the email address you enter is valid and accessible. Next, scroll down to find the section regarding audience settings. Here you can configure various options such as enabling or disabling double opt-in for subscriptions. Double opt-in helps in ensuring that your contacts genuinely want to receive communications from you. Once you've adjusted the settings to your preference, look for the Save button to finalize your audience creation. Click on this button and a confirmation message will appear, indicating that your audience has been successfully created. It is important to note that creating an audience may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. After confirming the creation of your audience, you may want to add contacts. To do this, navigate to the Add Contacts option within your newly created audience. This action will present you with several methods to add contacts, including uploading a file. Click on Upload a File to proceed with adding contacts through a CSV file. Before this step, ensure that your file is formatted correctly and check the file size, as larger files may take longer to upload based on your internet speed. Next, click on the Continue button to proceed to the file selection screen. Here you will see an option to select a file. Click on this button and a file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to the location of your CSV file. Once you have located your CSV file, select it and click Open. After this, you will need to click on Continue again to confirm the file selection. Wait for the system to process the file, as this may take a moment depending on its size. After processing, you will be prompted to organize your contacts. Click on Organize Your Contacts to categorize the imported contacts appropriately. This helps in maintaining a structured audience, making it easier to send targeted campaigns. You may encounter a message recommending that all contacts be kept within one audience for better management. Consider this advice seriously, as it can simplify your marketing efforts in the long run. Continue through the prompts until you reach the Finalize Import option. Click on this button to complete the import process. This final step is crucial for ensuring that your contacts are successfully added to your audience. Lastly, click on Complete Import to finish the process. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your import is complete. Make sure to review your audience to ensure that all contacts have been added correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.